SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, deep cleaning, and HDD Caddy installation on HP NB15 laptop. Thank you, Sir Alfie, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The reason for his upgrade is that there is no reason not to. Since the laptop was bought, it has not been opened nor upgraded to any component, and also he has the budget ready. On this upgrade, we want to put an N.2 SATA, but unfortunately there are no stock. So we recommended to install 2.5 SSD instead and add HD Caddy to retain the old HD back to the laptop. We will be upgrading it to 512 GB SSD and an 8 GB RAM DDR3. Upgrading to an SSD is a very good move, especially when done by a professional repair shop. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDS, leading to quicker boot times, faster application loading, and overall improved system responsiveness. They are more reliable due to having no moving parts, which reduces the risk of mechanical failure. Additionally, SSDs consume less power, benefiting battery life in laptops, and operate silently compared to HDDs. Upgrading the RAM in your computer is a smart move, particularly when done by a professional repair shop. Increased RAM improves multitasking capabilities, allowing for smoother performance when running multiple applications simultaneously. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Installing an HDD Caddy to add your old HDD to your laptop is a smart and practical upgrade. This allows you to retain the additional storage space of your old HDD while benefiting from the speed and performance of your new SSD. A professional repair shop can ensure the Caddy is installed correctly and that the system is configured to optimize both drives. SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD and RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.